Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles in a waffle maker. Preheat the waffle iron and lightly grease the plates, then combine flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, and melted butter into a smooth batter. Pour measured batter into the center of the hot iron, close gently, and cook until steam slows and waffles are golden brown. Serve hot with butter, syrup, fruit, or your favorite toppings. For light, fluffy waffles, rest the batter briefly so the flour absorbs liquids and air pockets form. Gently fold ingredients and avoid vigorous mixing that tightens gluten and makes waffles tough. If you want crisp exteriors, add a bit more melted butter or a tablespoon of sugar to caramelize. For variety, try chocolate chips or mashed banana folded in at the end for quick flavor boosts everyone enjoys. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that actually last. They feel great and come with a lifetime warranty, which is honestly impressive. I wear them in the kitchen, and they save me from chilly floors while crisping waffles. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook waffles until steam slows and they reach a deep golden color, rather than relying on a set time. Transfer waffles to a cooling rack over a baking sheet to keep them crisp and warm without steaming. Serve straight away with butter and syrup, or create a deluxe plate with fresh berries, whipped cream, or a scoop of ice cream for a fun treat that feels special without much extra work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.